If you've been hustling online, posting content, chasing trends, and just trying every single trick in the book, but you still feel stuck, hey, it's not your fault. You know, the truth is, the game is constantly changing, and the missing piece, the piece that finally makes everything click, honestly, is AI. Now, I know how frustrating it feels. You feel like you're grinding away, but the results, they never seem to just match the effort, right? And you write posts, you build funnels, maybe even you run ads, but nothing really sticks. You know, I've been there. I remember just spending hours just writing emails, thinking about posts, doing videos every day that no one opened, no one watched, no one engaged with. You know, it felt like I was just missing something that seemingly everyone else just understood and I didn't. It was so frustrating. But then, here's what I finally realized, right? It wasn't about working harder, it was about working smarter. And AI was the lever that I needed. You know, it's not here to replace you, it's here to remove the guesswork. So instead of wasting hours writing copy, brainstorming content, or second guessing your offers, AI can help you to move faster, move smarter, and with more confidence. And that's the missing piece most struggling marketers never plug into. So let me share with you how this works step by step in a way that you can start using right away today. All right, now let's talk about content creation made simple. So instead of staring at a blank screen or thinking about, gosh, what am I going to post today? Ask AI to generate 20 content ideas based on your niche. Suddenly, you have a roadmap of posts, videos, or emails that speak directly to your audience's pain points. There's no more guesswork. Secondly, high converting copy in just minutes. Need a sales page or an email sequence? AI can draft the structure for you. You don't have to copy it word for word, but it gives you a proven foundation, right? A structure that you can then turn and make your own. Eventually, AI will learn your voice, okay? But you spend your energy kind of polishing up, not starting from scratch. That saves hours, and what it does is it instantly raises the quality of your marketing. You can also validate offers before you launch. Here's one of my favorite hacks that you probably never heard of. Before creating a full product, use AI to simulate your market. Ask it what your target customers' objections might be, what features they'd have most, and even how much they'd expect to pay. So what you're basically doing is test driving your offer in minutes before you waste weeks or even months building it. And here's the action step for today, okay? Pick one area that you feel is just slowing you down. Maybe it's writing emails, maybe it's coming up with content ideas. Run it through AI, okay? Just one. Watch how much time it saves you. That small shift can be the domino effect that knocks down everything else. Now, imagine this. Instead of sitting at your computer, staring at your laptop, or walking around throughout the day wondering what you're going to post today, your content, your emails, your offers, they're already in motion. They're already kind of lined up and outlined because AI handled that heavy lifting part of generating ideas. You get to focus on connecting with people, growing your audience, and actually enjoying the business you set out to build in the first place. That's the power of plugging in the missing piece. So, I hope this resonated with you. If so, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, come back, because I'm always showing you practical ways to use AI and build a business that works without burnout, without overwhelm, because you know, you don't need to keep struggling. You just need the right pieces of the puzzle. See you in the next video.